Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I actually have a new camera, so it might look a little bit different, and I'm actually just getting used to the settings. This is the first time that I've been filming a video with this camera, so if the colour's a little bit off, please let me know and I'll fix it. But today I decided I just want to cut my hair, basically. I think these lockdown restrictions have got me doing crazy things. First of all, I did my see-through bangs, which have kind of grown out a little bit now, and they're actually at my nose length. So what I realised was this is the perfect length. Actually, I don't know why my hair's coming across really warm on camera. I'm actually filming myself on my phone as well, so I'll put in a video of what my hair actually looks like, but on this camera it looks really warm. So what I'm gonna do is cut some curtain bangs. I have been looking on Pinterest and I found two images that I am gonna use for inspiration. One is just a little bit thicker, and then the other one just a little bit thinner. But what I really liked is how these just kind of fall. This side doesn't really have much, and as you can see, it just looks like flat, like there's nothing going on with my hair. It just looks a bit boring. So I just wanted to cut some bangs in to give the hair a bit of shape, and I just like how it falls. Look, from the side it just looks so much more like, I don't know, like voluminous, a bit of style. But then when you go this side, it just looks flat because it's like boring and just like long. So I'm using my phone as a mirror. So if I'm looking this way, then it means I'm looking at my mobile phone. So what I'm gonna do is section off my hair like I always do. It's really not that hard to cut curtain bangs, but there is kind of like a way of cutting it to make sure that you don't cut it too short, because once you've cut it too short, there's no going back. We all know that. So yeah, today I'm just gonna cut my bangs, and I thought that it might be interesting to show you guys, because when I do have kind of like a hair change, I know that, oh, stuck to my earrings. When I do have a hair change, I know that a lot of you do message me and be like, how did you do that? Can you show us a video how you did this? What hair color? Blah blah blah. And I just love like doing hair videos. I feel like I need to do more hair videos because I'm actually quite good at doing hair, even though I don't want to sound big-headed, but I am actually quite good at styling hair and just hair in general. So I really do want to do more. So today what I've got is a comb, and then I have some normal hairdressing scissors, like hair scissors, and then some thinning scissors to thin the ends out. I have my mirror, which is a black Hello Kitty one, just so I can see close up. Even though I am using my phone as a mirror, I need to make sure it looks okay. And then what I'm going to be doing is styling it with the air wrap. The air wrap is the only hair tool that I've been using for a long time now. I use my hair straighteners obviously sometimes when I want to do certain style of waves. I want to do like poker straight hair. But in terms of just blow drying and styling, my air wrap has been my go-to. It honestly, all the different attachments just create, oh, it's just like dreamy, voluminous, natural looking hair that doesn't look too styled. And then I'm going to use some Charles Worthington texturizing spray to style the hair today. So let's do this. You can see these are the front bits that are grown out, so this is going to be the shortest part of my hair, and what I'm going to do is section off the bit that I want to cut. I've now sectioned off the bit that I want to cut, and what I did was take it from the top of my head all the way down like this. And I've also done the same on the other side as well, so that I have some nice layered bits on the side of my face as well, not just coming from the top. So now that I've got my hair sectioned, what I'm going to do is bring it all forward like this. So now that I have my middle piece, I'm just gonna trim it maybe like mouth length, that will be my shortest part of the curtain bangs. Now what I'm going to do is split my hair down the middle again, like so. It doesn't have to be perfect, just like as long as it's middle-ish, like so, like that. And then what I'm going to do is, my hair's been in a parting last night, so it's not sitting straight. So now that you have the shortest part, the shortest layer here, as you can see, what you have to do is feather it down. So bring the scissors down like that. Just the same way that I cut my see-through bangs, but this is just on a larger scale. So now what we're going to do is go from, so starting at the shortest point here, all we're going to do is cut. And finish it there, like that. I actually want it a little bit shorter, so I'm gonna start cutting again. So it's like, so as you can see, this side is actually a little bit longer than this side. So I'm gonna even it out, just using the same technique. So chop. Like so. So now that the sides are kind of even, what you want to do is grab your comb and start chopping upwards. I've just got my air wrap out on the round brush attachment, and I'm going to blow dry it upwards like this, like how you would put rollers in, and then lay it down. I'm just going to take my Charles Worthington texturizing spray and give my hair a bit of texture. My curtain bangs. I feel like I could go a little bit shorter, but for now I feel like it's a nice kind of length because it blends in with the rest of my hair. I think if it was a little bit shorter I would have to cut a lot more of my hair to make it a little bit thicker, but yeah, I really like it. It's nice, nicer than I expected. I love it. If you want to cut curtain bangs, hopefully this hopefully this video was helpful for you. Until my next video, I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Mwah.